Hey guys, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. Today we're going to try to fix a dishwasher that I've had multiple problems with. See you in a minute. Now normally you would have a dishwasher to be shooting out extreme hot temperature, like 120 degrees or so. But let's see what reading I'm getting with the IR thermometer.
What, is it hot?
It's cold, damn cold.
Yep, it's around 80 degrees. It's not warm enough. It's not hot. But don't get me started on the drying situations. Everything comes out wet. Everything comes out wet. You open that up, stuff is dripping. It doesn't air dry anymore. The heat does not work. It appears the problem could be the heating element or the high limit thermostat. I was able to get a new element for 30, was it 30 bucks? And the thermostat was $8? $8, yeah. So I thought, well, I could try just replacing the heating element. Maybe that'll fix it. Maybe I'll need the high limit thermostat too. Anyway, it was $8 extra to get the high limit thermostat. So I'm going to replace that as well. Okay. For this, you want to shut off the dishwasher. This one actually, it says dishwasher shut off. I have turned this off, and I have unplugged the dishwasher as well. Let's. So we're going to be replacing this element and the high temperature thermostat. So we need to pull this whole thing out. Let's start here. Pull this out. I was gonna try and flip it over. I don't think I have enough room. So I'm gonna flip it on its side because our hoses are a little short. All right. So now, right here and here are the connections for the heating element. So disconnect that one, disconnect this one, and then we're gonna untighten those. So find a wrench here. It should just be enough to get it going, then you can loosen with your hands. Now, we can take, should pull right up. There you go. And you put the new one in. Okay, my new one came with new ones here, so we'll keep these. Exact. There we go. Okay, now we're in there. All right, let's get back underneath. Back on the bottom again. Put the nuts in place, both sides. Okay, honey, plug these back in. This is where the high On this particular model, this Whirlpool, the thermostat is located. Apparently my arms are in the way. Okay. All right. I bought a replacement, so I'm going to put this in as well. Now, this should just come off. Let's see. See how easy it is. It's got two legs like that. Okay. Just pull out. Should just pull out. Maybe give you a little trouble. This thing, you just turn it, pull it out. Here's the old one. New one. New one. Hopefully I didn't just break it by doing that. I don't know if this cardboard is necessary, but it was there. So, 2. Okay. All right. So I got one leg in. In. All right, and then back in place. All right, let's close it back in. Okay, that looks right. Put this in. Okay. All right. And we can turn that back on, the water back on, plug it back in. I heard a click over there. We're getting power again. So we'll run a quick wash. The dishwasher's back in action, folks. Hopefully these tips will help you and fix your dishwasher problem as well. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when we put a new video out. See you next time. Bye.